Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the album of a particular song on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select a song that you are interested in, either from the home page. Here there are many categories that you can choose from, or either from the explore option or section, like new albums and singles, moods, genres, and the trending songs. So if you have found a song that you are interested in, click on the three dots icon next to its title, scroll down till you find the go to album option and click on it. And now you will be directed to that particular song's album if it is not a single song. Now this song has an album, as you can see, so it's not a single, and you can add it to your favorites by clicking on the plus icon, so the whole album has been added to your library, or you can discover other songs on this particular album so you can listen to them individually. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.